Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. Sometimes we need to create YouTube shorts or TikTok videos from widescreen video. Today I will show you how to edit a widescreen video to portrait using Filmora. Let's begin the tutorial. I have imported a video and removed the extra parts from the video. Go to Settings and change the project aspect ratio to portrait. You can also change the frame rate from here. Zoom the video, and position it accordingly. If you play the video, you will notice that the child goes out of the frame. Let's fix this issue. Forward the playhead position. And add a keyframe here. Forward the video, and change the position of the video. Keep the child center of the screen. Follow the same process until you reach the end of the video. That's all from this tutorial. Now you can export the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.